Alrighty, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome everyone to another London session live stream here, and we have just entered into a new 1 hour candle. It is London opening, and we have a potential setup here for USD CAD, which is this range level right here, and we could see USD CAD pushing all the way down here for a potential buy opportunity when it reaches the bottom end here, right? If it comes right back up top here, I'll be looking for the sells at this level. So I think that's the better opportunity right now. Again, GJ is definitely on a bullish run, and it has not settled in any small ranges here. So it's definitely hunting the larger end of or the top end of a larger range, which is where the 4-hour EMA resides as well. So we'll see again USD CAD. It is stuck in a small range right here. Again, non-tradable. Again, leaning on USD CAD either reaching at the top or bottom end, and still trading the range here. So more than likely, if it does drop here, I'll be looking for the buys. If it does settle right back up top here, I'll look for a slight push and break above this range for a sell-off here. So both ways. Again, it's still respecting this level right here. You can see. Yeah, GJ is still, I don't see any smaller setups, small ranges right now. As you can see, it continued to just break, as it did yesterday as well on the bearish side of things. And of course, USD CAD was very bullish, and continue to be bullish all of yesterday as well. Look at this. Alrighty. Alright, so USD CAD appears to be pushing up here. Again, I will be entering the trade idea shortly if it does give us another push. Let's see. All right, it's giving us that push. Okay. We're gonna need another what? 8-9 pips here. It does come back up. Again, this range is too small to trade, right? I just drew that level because price is settling in here, you know, about 5-6 pips non-tradable. All right, you know what? Since USD CAD continues to make a bullish, or attempts to make a bullish run here, let's just get the trade idea through here. $325. And let's make it 15 on the dot. All right, so this is the buy sell stop trade idea for USD CAD again, and looking for push above, a slight break above, and then I can go ahead and enter the sells here. For GJ again, still running bullish here, so can't say much right now. Alrighty. All right, so USD CAD is pushing down here, so that's a little bit of a turn of events here. Does it, come all the way down here? There is an EMA tap, of course, right here on the 15-minute EMA, or the 50-minute EMA right here. Let's take a look. Okay, just checking. You haven't spoken yet. No, so I have been speaking, so I'm not sure about that. You should be able to hear me. And yes, hello everyone. Hope everyone is having a great day. We are entering the third day of the year, January 3rd, and hopefully we get some movement picking up today. We do have a lot of events in New York session today, right? So nothing much in London session, but once New York session opens up, we do have some news events there, and the PMI, the Joel's job opening. So those are pretty high impact events, which could again drastically change the the price point from where it is to after the news. So we'll see that. Of course, FOMC as well. So two major events coming up for the USD currency here, and again it could affect relatively a lot of pairs. So we'll see how that goes. Here comes USD CAD right back up. No bottom wick. It is tapping the 5-minute EMA. It did not get to the 50-minute EMA, so it's pushing right back up top. Still respecting this level right here. And we could get a push right up to the top end here. And again, that will be perfectly fine because again the setup, the trade idea is already on the right here. So still I'm looking for that. And again, GJ is still in a breakout zone here, so nothing tradable yet. Alrighty, guys. The audio comes and goes is because I actually went to get another microphone, so hopefully you guys can hear me right now as well. However, yeah, so USD is still idling right here. So again, nothing much from GJ here. We're looking for GJ to reach the top here. It could settle somewhere here, but again, it's just way too messy. Way too messy. I mean, look at all these candles here. So again, the range ideology works best when there is when price does consolidate and settles, right? When it continues to break out, which we've seen yesterday as well on the bearish end here, right? And today we're getting it right back here. So again, of course, it is a part of a larger range. However, on the smaller time frames, you know, it's going to be tough to capitalize on smaller setups here because again, there's nothing as clean of a range here as it just continues to break out all throughout. And again, USD CAD, we have a new 50-minute candle coming up. Again, there's no bottom wick on the current candle. So do we get a push right to the top here? We'll see. You can see GD is still pushing up here. Okay. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Let's see here. Again, it's kind of a slowdown right after London opening here today, so can't do much if there's no pickup of a volume here. Again, expecting to be a lot more volume today. Although again, GJ moved quite a few pips yesterday, right? Quite some pips on both in both directions, and you can still see that it's still breaking out here. And USD CAD struggling to come up here. And again, this is way too small of a range here. And again, the current zone that it's in is about 3 to 4 pips. Nothing major here, and nothing tradable here, to be honest. So maybe a more of a boring session today. I mean, unless we get some pickup of volume here, where we can um, see price reaching a certain level where we can enter a setup here. But GJ is nothing here to to kind of get through with the setup here, and USD CAD just is right now. So yep, way too slow here. Finally, GG's making a move here, so I like that. I like that. And USD CAD appears to be coming down. That's about 40 pips. All right, just gotta be patient here today, guys. Just gotta be patient. Can't get anything ready yet. Again, leaning on USD CAD, pushing up top here for a potential sell stop entry here. Right, but again, that's if USD CAD picks up some volume here and could drive up the price to the top end here. There's going to be a clean sell off there. All right, USD CAD is making that move now. Finally, some pickup right here. We still got 6 minutes to go before a 30-minute close. We can certainly reach up top here. And again, USD CAD only will need about 7-8 pips of a push. And then I'll be okay with setting the sell stops. Again, GD is still going here. All right, a little bit more of a push. Yep, guys, it's just moving way too slow right now. Wow. Way too slow. But hopefully we can get used to CAD to push up all the way up here. And there is this level right here as well. So this could be tradable. All right, here's a push. Okay. Finally getting something out of this setup here. And we got 30-minute close coming up as well. So let's see what happens here. Again, I'm looking for USD CAD to break this level here. And then we could take a look at the setup here. All right, just making that push. I'm gonna get this ready. So sell stop. And again, I'm waiting for the new 30-minute candle as we're just about 2 minutes away. Nice push. Okay. Nice aggressive push right here. Again, still waiting here. We're just 2 minutes away from, less than 2 minutes away from a 30-minute candle opening here. And again, not willing to risk it right now. So we're going to wait out for the new 30-minute candle here. All right. Can we get that push? Here comes the new 30-minute candle. And again, I'm not looking for a heavy push above this level right here. Just a possible slight break, maybe somewhere around, along the vicinity of 133, 360, 355. All right, well, here comes a new 30-minute candle. All right, here it is. So again, did not enter yet. Looking for a break above. Again, still need that break. Will not consider the setup unless we get a break above this level here. Let's reach here 3 times over, another time right here. Looking for that slight break above so I can go ahead and set these cells here. It's not giving in right now. Oh wow, what a push from EasyCat. Wow, never gave in. Would have been a nice clean, push right down here. Just never gave in here. And is respecting this level right here. Again, does it push right back up top here? We'll see. And again, G is closer and closer to the top end of the range here. All right, EasyCat appears to be coming back up. Let's see. Again, I was not willing to take this early on here. I see that there could be a potential break here. And I was not ready for the sell-off yet. GDA could continue up here for our EMAs right up top. So that's a close call. And let's see, this USD-CAD come right back up top here. Let's see. All right, guys. Still, it came right back down and it's pushing right back up again. So it is, again, in this range here. But again, because I feel that this was not a good entry here, right? So we do have, again, it's I think about 10 pips. It's not bad at all, right? But the fact that it did not break this level here, again, a few times here, this time certainly it can give a slight break here. And that way, we'll be able to secure this potential sell-off here. And again, GDA, now we can see a slight range level here, maybe, which is again perfectly fine. But we do understand GDA's bullish run here towards the top end of this range, and of course the 4-hour EMA as well. So does GDA settle right here somewhere, which is again would be to our advantage if it does settle somewhere here and put some buy stops above that level where it does consolidate and then let it continue to the top end here. Here comes USD CAD once more. Once more again. And maybe this time it'll break. And of course, we'll be able to enter. Right? Let's see. Let's see here. Again, would have been a beautiful entry as well if it just gave us a few more pips above. Would have entered, and it would pretty much have reached nearly the TP level, right? To the bottom end here. All right, so another attempt here from USD CAD. Okay, nice. I like that 15-minute push right there. I like that push. Let's get this going. All right, nice push. Come on, USD CAD, give us that push right here. Again, it's not many pips that we need here. It's about, yeah, we're on 6.5 pips, I would say. And then I'll be more than happy to enter the setup here, right? So I've been waiting for that push, slight break above. And again, GJ, nothing crazy. But we may get that push this time. And yes, good morning to everyone. Hopefully, again, we get some nice volume, some nice consolidation again at certain levels here. And, we can pick up a lot of good setups here today. Let's see. Alrighty. Let's take a look. All right, drop right back down. Okay, that's okay. I mean, look at it go. No top wick, and what a drop right here. Interesting. All right, now GD has no bottom wick here. But again, way too small of a range here. Way too small to trade this. And this is, again, the new 15-minute candle here. So it did gap right here. All right. It may just come now. The push may just come now here. And you can see all these wicks on the 1 hour candle here. Are we gonna have to wait until a new 1 hour candle here, or does USD CAD make a strong push and break right below here, and break down right back in this range here before the hour closes up? All right, here's a push again. Okay, let's get this. Let's get that push here. All right, 13 minutes to go. Again, still fighting here. Again, leaning on getting that push and a break before it coming right back down. And you can see it is in this range right here, which again is a nice range to trade as well. About 10, 11 pips. But I'm looking for that break above this level here. I certainly think that if it comes right back around this time, it will break. Slight breach right here, and then could get ready for the sells. And G is still stuck in here again, looking for it to reach the top end here. And USD CAD again still struggling here. So stuck in the middle of this range here. And undecided here which direction it will go. Again, I'm leaning bullish to reach the top end of this range. Slight break, and then sell off here. I think it's a good possibility as USD CAD continues to swing right back up top here. But there is much delay here for this move. Alrighty, so just still waiting here. 11 minutes to go. Just gotta be patient here. It's almost there. Alrighty, guys. Still, USD-CAD is stuck in this small zone here. Again, still leaning on taking the sells here. Still leaning on USD-CAD running bullish here and breaking this level here. And then I think the sell-off is a high probability. And again, GJ could reach the top end here. Let's see how far it is from this top end of the range here. 26, 27 pips, not bad at all. I can also see on the 3-minute it will be more clear right here that there is this level here as well. And again, I won't take the setup unless it comes down here and I can see a break in which I can take a setup here, right? So maybe somewhere over here, slightly over here. And there's a slight level right here as well. And again, this could go long here, but I'm just seeing if price can settle somewhere. Yeah, not bad at all. This is not bad. Oh, here comes USD-CAD. Okay, finally. Let's see something going on here. Okay, so GJ is pushing down here again. I'm looking for the buys for GJ, right? Something that will get price, you know, up top here. So if it does settle here, I will definitely take the buys, and we can get runners all the way up to the top end of the range here, which is a larger range, and the 4-hour EMA right there as well. And I think that'll be a nice setup there as well. And again, USD-CAD struggles to make it above here, but I do believe it will. There's a new 1-hour candle coming up, and you can see now all the 1-hour candles here since 13 or the 14 hours ago, right? They have all closed in this range here. So it's a very significant range. And again, we could get the new 1-hour candle settling right here, closing here, or the current 1-hour candle closing somewhere here, and then the next one pushing up above, slight break, and then we can see this move completing here. And if it does complete here, I will let some runners run. So I may go 1.5% risk right here, and let some runners run to not only this level down here, but even to the EMA here, the 1-hour EMA. Right, there's a 30-minute and 15 as well there, but I'm leading on that. And of course with GJ, I'll be looking for the buys if it breaks below this level right here. Right, if it breaks below this level, I'll be looking for the buys above somewhere over here and for it to push above here. So I think there's two favorable setups here for both setups, for both pairs here, and we could get multiple TPs for both pairs here, for both setups here. That GJ, especially if it breaks below this level here, I'm going to take a look at where it settles here. Where does this price settle? Because this current candle could settle somewhere down here, right? If it does, then I'm going to look at this range to trade instead and look for a better buy stop level than this level right here, right? Because there's a lot of wicks down here. So it's again early range formation here. So let that move. USD-CAD is pushing down again here. I guess this is where the 1-hour candle will close. It doesn't mean, again, USD-CAD can't push right back up top here. And we could see, you know, USD-CAD with a sell-off here. Right, okay, here comes GJ. Perfect. Again, not the best close for USD-CAD here. I was looking at maybe it closing somewhere along the levels of right here. And then the next 1-hour candle could push above, and then boom, right back down. But it closed out right here. Let's see how the 1-hour candle looks like. Okay, well, there it is. And here's GJ. Nice push. Okay, do we get a full push all the way up top here? That'll be nice to see. And GJ has no bottom wick here, and it's pushing up as well. Okay, no bottom wick here for both pairs here. Okay. like this push from USD CAD here, with no bottom wick here. I like this push. Can we get that push going here? Alrighty. Okay, well, G just continues to push here, no bottom wick. USD CAD as well, same thing. We'll see what happens there. The best stream of 2023 and almost no viewers or no likes. No worries. Again, I appreciate that you feel, I guess, you know, we do have one of the best streams, so appreciate that. As far as no viewers or no likes, I mean, that's just part of the algo, right? I mean, if it happens, it happens. I don't really ask anyone to like the live stream. That's up to you guys. If you guys truly feel that it does give you value, that's up to you guys. But I don't really push for likes and you know, whatnot. So that's up to you guys. It's not one, it's the best. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, Ricardo. And again, we just started late in 2023, right? We started September. I think the first week of September here. So it's only been 4 months since I've been streaming here. And again, looking to, you know, make a bigger impact in terms of value provided through these live streams in 2024. So if you felt, you know, you felt you had a good, decent run with my streams in 2023, we're just starting 2024. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Again, it's just the first week right now, so we are trying to attempt to get our, you know, second day set up here. So let's see. And yeah, we'll go from there. I'm down 1.3k, just waiting to get a payout for mentorship. Okay, no worries, no worries. Again, small drawdown is nothing as long as, again, you are patient with the setups, you follow the rules, and you know, consistency will be there. And again, I should mention that I will be starting a challenge myself, right? So for the mentorship members, as a bonus, I will be sharing the metrics link for a challenge that I will be beginning, and again, using the exact same setups that I share on the streams here, right? So the same setups that I share on the streams here, I will be taking, right, 1 to 2 setups here. So if I provide maybe 4 or 5 setups, I'll be only taking a couple setups for the challenge account, but everything will be transparent for the mentorship members, right? So that's a bonus for all those that do subscribe to the mentorship, and I will be starting that mid, you know, maybe on the next week and a half or so. Right, so I haven't started yet, and good news is that I will be starting one every month. And again, proving to everyone that the same setups that I take, I will be taking on the challenge accounts. I'll notify again each mentorship member with setups exclusively, because again, if there's more than 2 or 3 setups in a given stream, I'm only going to be taking the selected setups that I, you know, for that account. Because again, you don't want to over trade on the account. Limit yourself on an individual account, and I'll be sharing those. So that's an advantage for the mentorship members. And if you're a mentorship member and you want to start the same time, a challenge the same time as I start each month, and continue to grow and select the same setups, that's up to you guys. But that's something, again, that I'm excited for, and I feel it's overdue. And you know, I'm ready to take on that challenge, right? I know there's a lot of streamers that'll probably never take on the challenge, because again, I understand that it's to replicate results over and over again. It's quite difficult, right? It is quite difficult, and most won't take that challenge. But I'm ready to take it on, and you know, I think it's going to be an exciting adventure there as well. and you know, let's see where it takes us, right? But again, everything will be shared with the membership members, so you guys will have full access to the metrics links of the prop firm and all the setups that I've taken, which will again only be the setups I take on the live streams only. So whether that's the YouTube live streams or Zoom live streams, and I will mention each time, you know, what setup I'm taking on the challenge account. So if I take 4 or 5 setups, there'll only be about 2 setups that I take on the challenge account, and I will notify each member. Alrighty, so USD is pushing up here, GDA is pushing down here, so we can, you know, see that GDA is certainly respecting this level right here. It's about, what is it, 14 pips, but I like the fact that I can drag it down here instead, or even down here. That would be more ideal here, so we can get more of a larger range, which is again tradable, and we'll go from there. Again, patiently waiting in the small range right here, and USD is pushing right back up top. This is a new 1 hour candle as well. Sorry, excuse me. This is another 1 hour candle as well. And all right, we're getting that move now. All right, here it comes. So you can see the fact that all these 30-minute candles here have not broken this level here, and now certainly this one can make that break right here, and not saying that it's going to, you know, close above it, because I'm still considering the sell-off here, but it can certainly break above it and give us enough distance before entering the sells. And again, it's a close call here, and as GJ makes his way down, look for the buys above this level here, unless, you know, it pushes down further here. So that's what I'm looking at. Where does the price settle here, so I can fix it, the bottom end here, and then look for buy stops above that level. All right, again, USD is very, very close here, and I'm leaning on, again, taking the sell stops as soon as USD reaches the 133.350 territory here. Right, if it gets there, I can consider the sell stops here. And I do understand it's a new 1 hour candle, so it can make a slight larger push above. So again, we'll be careful with that, but here it comes. All right, guys, so we have USD CAD almost up here now. And again, that's exactly what I was looking for. It is a new 1 hour candle pushed up strong right up top. And again, this could also break this level here. So that's why I got to be careful now. Since it did take its time to reach up here, you could see it tapped 3 times on both ends here. And this could break this level here, and it could make a significant push above. Maybe, you know, not a full push and a close above it, but at least a significant push above before the reversal here. And here comes GJ. Okay, there we go. Nice push. Again, I was looking for the bottom end of this level right here. So where can it go here? Right here. Could make a push right there as well. Here's USD CAD again. I'm still leaning on the USD CAD setup more so than the GJ setup here. Or potential setup here. Here it comes. Okay. There's no top wick here. Let me get something ready here as well. So GJ buy stops at, what would this be right here? 180, 200. Okay. And USD CAD, nope, did not give us that push here. So I'm not taking that unless it gives it, it's too far up now for it to not push above that level. So I'm going to wait out for that, which is perfectly fine. Meanwhile, I can get this trade idea written down here. Again, I'm leaning on getting a lower right here. So I could secure something maybe on this end right here. And that way, this will be a tradable range now. 22, 23 pips here. Okay, let's see. Can I push down here? Again, USD CAD is not ready yet. What would this be right here? 130. All right, here comes USD CAD. Okay. And GJ could continue pushing down here. It is, again, caught up in this level here. But again, I still feel a significant push down here. It could even go for the 5-minute EMA here. But I'm not willing to trade the setup unless it gives us a nice push right down. And here comes USD CAD again. The fact that it has reached here finally, the same level here, I'm looking for a stronger push above this level here, right? And I wouldn't even mind adjusting the sell stops here if there's a significant push above here, above this level. Alrighty. Again, this level could be right here as well. Again, waiting for USD CAD to break this level right here. And let me even draw up the level right here. So somewhere above right here. Right, even right here, 55. If it can break above this level here, I will consider the sell stops. For GD again, I could see it coming all the way down here. Does it come all the way down to the 5-minute EMA? Does it reach this level here? We'll see where the bottom end is. So I'm going to leave that out for now. And again, another attempt by USD CAD here, trying to capitalize on this setup right here. This new 5-minute candle coming up. Here it is. And there could be a level right here. Right. All right, come on, you scat. Let's get a strong push above here. You're just coming down here, which is nice as well. Again, the bottom level here has not, it's not official yet. So we'll see how far it can push down here. Again, there's a lot of wicks on the left here, so we have to kind of consider that. But on the smaller time frame is where you could see something developing here. And again, GJ no top wick, 5-minute candle, and still has not broken that level here. Again, there's no chance I'm taking the sell off here unless it breaks the level and breaks this level here as well. Here's GJ. You can see on the 4-hour here, you can push down significantly. Still leaning on used to CAD. All right, so let me see. Where is it? No. Again, I still don't feel GJ has settled yet. This is a level that it could respect here, but I don't believe it has settled yet. I will be taking a look at the buys above this level here if it does come right back around here. And again, I don't believe it has fully reversed yet. And the 5-minute EMA or even the 3-minute EMA is a nice marker there. So I could see somewhere over here. Yeah. Okay, let me draw this up as well. 24. Here you see CAD's coming back up. 24. Okay, USD CAD is coming back up. Nice. And let me see the setup right here. 24 right there, 370. Okay, and SL is right here. SL right here. All right, so that's another trade idea right there. I could look at the 3-minute EMA tap here, and potential reversals there. And again, USD CAD is still not ready yet. Let's see. All right, we got GJ pushing down here, and again, that's about 7 pips away, the 3-minute EMA. 7-8 pips away, so I'll consider that. USD CAD still pushing up here. Okay. Let's take a look. Well, 5 pips of difference. All right, I'm gonna get USD CAD pushing up here as well. Nice, and I'm gonna get GJ ready here, guys. I'm gonna get GJ ready here as well. And if it does tap the 3-minute EMA, I'll be considering again how far is a 5-minute EMA. Let me just take a look. Yeah, actually, you know what? Price could reach the 5-minute EMA as well. Right at this level right here. You can see the 30-minute. Could close down there. Okay. Nice push. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I want to look at somewhere over here. That's a better area now for GJ to reach. Give it 25 pips. That's 39,990. And we do have a new 30-minute candle coming up. So I can certainly push down. Here is the stop loss level. All right, nice strong push from GJ here. And USD CAD is also pushing down here, but again, was not ready for this reversal yet, so I'm still leaning on USD CAD pushing above here. So coming back up top. And for all we know, GJ can continue bearish here. Right, look at that rejection on the 2-hour candle here as well. We do have a 2-hour close coming. We have a 4-hour close coming as well. Let's see. All right, nice push. I like this bearish push here from GJ. And here comes the new 30-minute candle. Wow, beautiful push right there. And the 5-minute EMA is about 7.5 pips away from there. Okay, that's perfectly fine. All right, here comes a new 30-minute candle. And looking at USD CAD or GJ reaching the 5-minute EMA, and wow, USD CAD is still dumping here. Okay, no chances. And looking at the 5-minute EMA tap, and that will be where I enter the buy stops, right? So I'm looking for GJ to push down further, And again, USD CAD is continuing down here, so it's just has not broken that level over and over again. Well, I may come back again for one more attempt here. So we'll see how that goes. But GJ is pushing here, so we're gonna get GJ ready here. At 179,990. All right, here's the push. And I like the fact that USD CAD is bouncing right back up top. Perfect. Nice. Strong push from USD CAD. Okay, and GJ's making that move again. Again, I have everything ready here. I just have not placed the order yet for GJ. So I'm looking for the EMA tap here. Slight break of this level here. Tap. Slight push below. And then these will be placed at this level right here. Right, and this could be a 2 TP setup right here, which I will show you guys in real time. Alrighty, so again, once again, USD CAD is moving up here. So this trade is almost ready here. And again, I still feel GJ is going to come back down and tap the the 5-minute EMA here. And then I'll be ready to take the setup as well. And here comes USD CAD. Wow, look at that push. Okay. And again, GJ is not far off from the 5-minute EMA. It was as close as 7 pips, and that's about 14 pips. Again, not much for a GJ here to move. And nice close with the 5-minute candle up here. We could get now finally USD CAD to break that level here, right? And this is the first time I'm here. Okay, welcome to the live streams here. Is it just analysis we do here, or you do also take? Yeah, I do also take trades. So again, these are setups that I'm almost ready to take here. Just waiting for a push down to the 5-minute EMA here. So that's that. And of course, USD CAD that I've been patiently waiting here It just continues to not break this level here. So if it doesn't break it, I'm gonna stick to my rules here. I'm not gonna allow myself to take the sell off here. But again, a few times over, it could have, reached a significant amount of profit in the one-to-one profit level here. And again, still, G is still not moving here, but again, it's a nice range level here that's respected. Again, it doesn't mean that it won't come back down. Still believe it's going to come back down to tap the 5-minute EMA, and that's when I can consider this setup right here. So still not ready yet. Well, I need one more push from USD CAD right back up top. You can certainly see that it's still sticking. The price is still sticking at the top here. So we know we could get a break here and a push right back down here. We have a 4-hour close coming. We have a 2-hour close coming. So it's a significant candle closure coming up. And again, I still expect the price to reach, even if it breaks out, closing right back into this range level here. So again, that's what I'm expecting here. GJ is making that move up top here. And again, it's a nice level right here, right? It's about 35, 36, 37 pips. Nice range level there. It already pushed up from here about 12 pips. But again, the fact that I see the 5-minute EMA right creeping at the bottom end of the range here, I will not consider, I could not have considered the buy stops or the buys here as of yet. And USD CAD pushes right back down again. Okay. So I guess we're just going to have to be patient here. And let G to come right back down and let USD CAD come right back up top here. So we still have 23 minutes to go before the hour closes. But still cannot enter either setup yet. Alrighty, so we are getting that push from USD CAD here. Again, no bottom wick on the previous candle, previous 5-minute candle, no bottom wick on the current 5-minute candle. We're getting a push here. And again, we are approaching the hour close, right? So it's 19 minutes to go. So again, we could expect USD CAD to push up right now and then close right back in that range level. But I do want to be able to capture the sell stops before it drops back down, right? If it drops back down, of course. And GJ, you can see that it was a part of this larger range now. And so this is a nice level down here. Again, you can see the fact that our buy stop entry was pretty much the exact same level. Just bounced off. It did not give us that breach here. Again, I was expected because, or I was expecting that because of the fact that there's a 5-minute EMA right here residing. So this would have been a nice push again if it gave us a just slight push with another 4 or 5 pips here. And it would have given us about, what, 18 pips right here, right? But we can expect GJ to come right back down here. And you can see it's caught up at maybe in this zone right here. So we can see GJ come right back down here. And then if it reverses here, it could certainly come back up top here and hit the TP this time around. So as USD CAD is pushing up, GJ can make a strong push right back down. And then both pairs will be ready for the reversals. Alrighty. And just got to play the patient game here. So we're over 2 hours into the stream here and still have not found our first setup for the day. But again, setups are close. USD CAD has been ranging in that level as well. So understandably so, there's still room for the price to reach the level I'm looking for USD CAD. And of course, for GJ, still patiently waiting here. Alrighty. GJ is still pushing here, and here comes USD CAD. Yeah, so you can see that there's a slight range level right here. So GJ could spin right back, come right back down. Not a bad level there. But the fact that it can reach the top end here and then reverse here as well. I'll consider that, but again, there's a 4-hour close coming, 15-minute close, 30-minute close coming up as well. And yeah. Yeah, USD CAD is very, very close here to the top end of the range here, but just does not have enough in it. You can see it's still running weak here. Still got it's a new 50-minute candle coming up, so let's see where the current 50-minute candle closes. And if it is a strong close, we could get the next candle to push up finally. Again, that's 15 minutes before the 4-hour, 2-hour, 1-hour candles there. All right, here comes a new 50-minute candle. Let's take a look. All right. Again, we're getting USD CAD to push above. And wow, GJ really made that full move here. But Only if we had a few more pips below here, this move would have been captured here. But again, that's okay. Following the rules, and we'll see what happens here. Again, I could see the sell-off here again, guys. Do I consider this? I mean, I could certainly consider this. I am taking a look at this, so I could see that there's a level right here. Right here. That could be respected here. Where is GJ right now? Can I consider this? This cat is moving. Yep. So you know what, guys? I could consider sell off here for GJ sell stops here. What would this be? 180, 200. So I'm gonna put this setup to the side here. And look for this setup right here. Just hope it has enough of a waiting period here before I can nice push from USD CAD as well. So let's see, 200 right there, and this would be right to the 5-minute EMA, which is about 25. Let's make it 25. Ooh, Jesus pushing up strong here. Again, can I make a push right back up top here so I can get this trade ready meanwhile? Okay, 25. TP here, TP. G just pushing here. No, not getting this push yet. So can GJ pull back here with the new 5-minute candle here, right? And again, I will be looking to set this. If it can make another pullback here, right back up top here, I'll be taking a look, taking this sell stop here for GJ here. Again, for USD CAD, could see it pushing up here. 180, 200. No, okay, new 5-minute candle. This is the one I'm looking for it to push right back up top here. And if it does, right around this level right here, 182.60, I'll consider these sell stops for GJ here. We got 10 minutes left before the hour candle opens up. Alrighty, again, struggling, USD CAD is struggling to break that level here. So again, you gotta stay strict with the rules and gonna allow maybe the new 1 hour candle to push above now, right? Which again is a better indication if it does break, and since it's a 4 hour candle as well, if it breaks, then this time again, if it settles back in, it could move significantly all the way down, which is going to be a nice potential multiple TP setup here for USD CAD. If it does reverse, if it does push above, and then finally reverse. For GJ again, I hope this is not another missed move here. This one down here, it came right to our buy stop entry level here, as you can see on the right here, and it did not give in, push right all the way up top here. Understood that there's a level right here that GJ is respecting. It could dump right back down, and this time around it can go and tap the 5-minute EMA. As you can see, the 5-minute EMA is right there at the bottom end of this range level here, so it's perfectly set there. All right, let's take a look. Alrighty. Appreciate that, Ricardo. Appreciate that. Again, you guys can take full advantage of the live streams here, guys. Take full advantage and level up, right? Level up. And again, if you guys want to take the next step, we do continue the live streams on Zoom as well daily, and they go on for hours here. So the goal is that you guys can take as many setups as possible, and take advantage and even seek out the best setups that you feel are have the greatest chance for yourself. Again, understanding how the range works as well. And there is a potential way for you to maximize your ability to win, even if you don't take every setup, right? So again, there's an easy hack here that you guys can use. It's just about leveling up and again understanding the system that I'm trading, understanding which may be better setups than others, because sometimes again I am going to share 4, 5, 6 setups. It all depends on which setups you take, and over time you'll build an understanding of which setups you may prefer over others, or maybe you prefer GJ setups over USD CAD setups. That's the only 2 pairs I trade on the live stream. So see how you can juggle that around and take full advantage and keep your win rate higher than maybe even the streams. That there is a possibility. Some members have even approached me and mentioned to me that they've only taken exclusive setups, the ones that they feel most comfortable with, understanding the range system, and they may even have a higher win rate than the 75%, right, between 70 and 80% win rate that I do have, right, with both live streams, the Zoom live streams and YouTube live streams. So take advantage. There is a way, again, you can even increase your win rate even beyond what I have on the live streams here. There is a way, but again, you're going to have to be joining daily and understanding the system overall. There are, again, strict rules. There's factors that you have to consider as well. There's ranges that are non-tradable as well. Of course, I do have a course. I'm also coming up with an advanced course as well that I'll make an announcement at a later time, which will give kind of each scenario, as there's a lot of different situations that, and factors that may have to be considered in different setups, right? So that will be what will be involved in the advanced course. And I will be making an announcement later this month, so you guys can take advantage of that as well, right? So again, I'm catering to every type of trader, as far as learner, first, or mentorship first, whatever the case may be, putting every kind of every step forward to allow each individual trader to grow and benefit at the same time along your learning curve. So let's see how that goes. And we are now into a new 4-hour candle here coming up right now. And again, unfortunately, USD CAD still did not break the level. It's unfortunate. Can't do much about that. But I do feel, again, if it does come down here, I'll probably look at buy stops for a USD CAD here. So let's see, does GJ push all the way down? Then I'm going to switch to this setup right here. Otherwise, if USD CAD pushes down here, I'll be looking for the buy stops for this pair instead. All right, so USD CAD could come back up this time around again. And again, this is a new 4-hour candle here, so it could come and break that level here and reject and come right back into that range, which is perfectly fine. Right, and GD could come right back down here. And as USD CAD is reaching the top end here, GD could reach the bottom end here. And then we could clear this setup right here, remove this, and continue with this original setup that we had. But if GD does make a push above here, I'll consider this as GD comes down, right, and we complete this move, it'll be ready for this move potentially on the way back up. Right, so everything can work out here. I just don't like the the huge push right down here before the 4-hour close. If it doesn't come back up, it's completely fine. I did enter this setup a little late in terms of the text here, so that's why I wasn't able to take it. But nonetheless, it would have been a clean setup as well, along with this one as well here. Right, a few pips short would have entered. And again, USD CAD has respected this level once more. So you can definitely see now it could break out of that level here, or respect it and come back up and break out from the top end, and see where it goes. So let's see, a lot of things unfolding here, and we still have not entered the first setup of today's stream yet. All right, guys, so GJ is pulling back up here. If it can make another push above here, it will get to the sell stop entry level, right, which is again less than 5 pips away. And then if it makes a breakup of here, we understand that GJ could reach the top end here as well. So I'm going to safely enter the sell stop if price does push up, and it appears that it is. On the other hand, USD CAD's right back up again. Okay. Look at it go right back again. I mean, look at the level it's been respecting over and over and over again. About 10 pips right there. Wow. All right, well, here comes GJ. And I also understand that the 4-hour EMA is up there as well, so this could keep going. So I'm not gonna, attempt to take this entry early. You gotta be careful here. So, and wow, look at USD CAD go here. Nice push. And again, this is also the new 2-hour and 4-hour candle. And here is GJ. So again, what we could see here is USD CAD, since now it may come and break this level here, it could make a stronger push. And as it makes a stronger push, we could see GJ again reach the top end here. And the reversal, then USD CAD, can come right back down here and be ready for the reversal as well for the sell stops. And we know if GJ does reach up here and it drops right back down, we understand that it can reach back up top here and reach not only the TP level here, but TP2 and even beyond to the 4-hour EMA. So if it plays out as I see it, this could be a lot of TP hits today, which would be really needed this week since it's a short week. Nice push from USD. Look at that. That was pretty much what, in 3 minutes right there. Came right back up top. Again, this time it may make the push right back down. Or sorry, USD CAD this time may make that full push and break that level this time. Again, it is a new 1-hour, 2-hour, 4-hour candle here. Alrighty. And GJ may not get all the way up here. If it does make that full push down here, then again, I'm going to remove this trade idea, the sell stop trade idea, and push this right back over here, which was the original buy stop or the original setup for a GJ here. So I could see it come up back up here because again, it is a significant level, right? Although on a smaller time frame, but it can certainly reach up here. If it does reach up here and break slightly above, I'll consider the sell stops for GJ to reach right back down here. And again, I think this could occur. We just need one bullish run here from GJ to get above the sell stop entry. And here's USD CAD making that push. All right, no top wick for GJ here. No top wick. You can see a small zone right here. Could break to the top as well. All right, guys, new 15-minute candle coming up. And see how the 30-minute candle looks like as well. Okay. All right, let's take a look. Here is, let me move this on the side here. Alrighty, okay. Again, not far off. GJ is very close to the sell stop entry level here, but again, we need to push above this level because you can see that it has reached here twice before. So, of course, if it doesn't, it's going to come right back down here, and the 5-minute EMA tap would be a nice level here for reversal here. But again, it could slightly push down. As you can see previously, it has slightly pushed down here. But again, I'm still leaning on GJ pushing up to this level here and even beyond. But at least to this level up here. So I can at least consider the sell stops here for GJ. And here comes USD CAD. One more time. Okay, now it's really pushing. Okay. All right, and GJ is pushing up as well. Okay. Here we go. All right, GJ has reached the top end here. It needs to tap this level here. And again, I'm looking for a break above this level before I can consider these sell stops. And here comes USD CAD as well. Okay. All right, GJ made a push here. Again, I do understand that the upper level right here is about, what, 5 pips above the entry level, the sell stop entry. I'm still looking for a slight push above here. Still a slight push. Not convinced yet. And here comes USD CAD as well. Nope, not ready yet, guys. Not ready for this one yet. If I can break above this level here, I'll definitely consider that. Let's see. One more push from GJ here. One more push. Let's see where it's at right now. It's about 4 pips. Looking for at least 6 pips, yeah. All right, does it get there? I mean, it's almost there. It's almost there. About 5 pips. Need about 6. As you can see, this level has been tested, and of course, I do want to make sure that it doesn't just continue bullish all the way through. It is a new 4-hour candle, and you know there is some pickup of volume here, as you can see. And here comes USD CAD. All right, I'm very close, guys. Very close to take the setup here. Again, one more push here. One more push. All right, here it is. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and place this sell stop here for GJ. So I just placed it. And I still expect USD CAD to continue pushing up. All right, here it is again. GJ could run up all the way up here, no problem. I can adjust the sell stops or wait out and see here. But this was a significant level. It could come right back down. And again, if it does, it will hit TP. USD CAD on the other hand, looking for it to break this level this time. And we are about to enter a new 5-minute candle here. A new 5-minute candle. Let's see what happens with GJ here. So again, GJ is the only setup that has been entered and waiting to be activated on GJ. still pushing. New 5-minute candle. Does it swing right back down? Or does it continue up here? Alrighty. 10 minutes to go before the 50-minute close here. And you could see that it could come right back in this level here. Right? If it does, this comes right back down here. This could come all the way down here. And again, USD CAD is kind of idling right here at the top end. And you could see that this could continue pushing up here, which is completely fine if GJ can reverse here and come right back down here, which would be, again, great to see, again, because this will be the first setup that will be activated and potentially, you know, hit the TP level here as well. So I am going 1.5% on this setup here. Okay, let's see, DJ, does it come right back down? Close call. Okay, USD CAD pushing down here. Well, that's okay because I still see USD CAD now making that move above, while GJ can make the significant push right back down here. And you can see that it can certainly close. GJ can certainly close in 8 minutes, can close all the way down here. Right? It could be a strong bearish close here if it continues moving down from right here. Right? And we can see GJ, USD CAD continue moving up here. So I can see that slow down here. And I took advantage of this setup right here. And about to be activated here. No, push right back. And one more chance here. Again, not tapped in yet. It's 8 minutes to go. Oh, USD CAD is really pushing again, all the way down. 7 minutes to go. Maybe for the 15 and 30-minute close. Yeah, if GJ makes this full push down here, this will go ahead and pretty much hit TP. All right, still 7 minutes to go. Again, May just tap me in here. All right, new 5-minute candle coming up. Awfully close here. pushing here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's at 200 right there. All right, should be tapped in very, very soon here. Very soon. Another push here, and it will be tapped in here. And I like that 5-minute close. You can see the 50-minute candle can still swing right back and continue bearish. And that way we can steal this setup right here and then prepare ourselves for this setup on the right. As USD CAD could continue moving up here. And again, it could make a significant push above here. And you can see that's why, again, trading pairs that you understand. Now I understood that it's going to kind of idle here, maybe move slowly above here, as it has done previously, while GD can make a significant bearish push. And then we can see the reversals from both pairs. All right, so quick action here got us to the setup right here. And again, it's awfully close here. See 180, 200. Should be 200, 250, 250. There we go. Now showing that it went to 200 here, but I'm still not tapped in here on my broker here, so the 201. But I did not. Did anyone else get tapped in here on this setup? I still did not get tapped in. That's interesting. Yeah. Okay. So okay. So no one got tapped in here? Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm just wondering why TradingView shows here. Normally it's pretty correct and pretty yeah, pretty right on, but I guess there are some times that it may not be. Okay. Let's get that push here, because again we have 3 minutes left here, and again the 15-minute candle could close right back down here. There is time here for GJ to push right back here. Again, this engulfing end is what, 9 pips, 3 minutes, very possible. But still not tapped in here, so again I don't mind it pushing up here, because I don't believe, again, anyone got tapped in on this. I think TradingView has it wrong here. Yeah, all right, so I guess everyone survived this push up here since no one got tapped in. So no problem. We'll continue waiting here. All right, so still not tapped in. We're still waiting. There's 2 minutes left for the 30-minute close here. And let's see. All right, GJ makes another attempt here. Again, we got just a minute left for the 30-minute close. And a new 15 and 30-minute candle coming up. Can I make that push now? And tap us in. And here's USD CAD right at the top again. Interesting. So this is definitely an interesting close here. Right above the sell stop level. But still waiting to be tapped in here. All right, now USD CAD is making that push. That same push over and over again. All right, here comes GJ. Still not tapped in yet. Still not tapped in. Here it is. New candle here. And let's see. Again, normally TradingView is pretty accurate here, but not sure why. Okay, I just got tapped in now. Okay, I just got tapped in. Finally. Okay. Yep. Perfect. So it's pretty consistent here. Okay. So yeah, everyone should have got tapped in now for sure. And as USD-CAD can continue up here, this would be a steal of a setup here, right? So if you can steal this one, and on the reverse side, get the one on the right, and hold that for multiple TPs up to before our EMA. But this one would be pretty much a steal here, because again, understanding this here, understanding what's going on with USD-CAD, that it still has ways to go up here. GJ can make a significant push all the way down here. Understanding that GJ, does move, many more pips than USD-CAD, and since it is London session here, we could get a significant push from GJ here, all the way down here, and this time it could tap the 5-minute EMA, and tap this bottom end of the range here, and potentially make a slight larger move below, and just in time to get this ready. And at the same time, and meanwhile, USD-CAD could continue moving up here, and you can see it's breaking this level now. And it could make that break, all the way even above this level here. And once it's ready, then we, get both GJ down here for the reversal and USD-CAD for this sell stop here. So everything's working right in line here. Just need an aggressive bearish push from GJ here now. It is a new 15 and 30-minute candle. So do we get a wick above first, or does it continue to push right back down? I think it can make that push down here, as the 5-minute EMA is very, very close here on the bottom end. And you can see this level right here is being respected. And that's kind of the reason why I drew out this level here and the sell stop from this area. And let's take a look at the 15-minute EMA. It's still there. You can still push up as well. But here is the setup here, and again, this could be a steal here. A steal of a setup here. And let's see what happens. Here is USD-CAD, again, as predicted here, USD-CAD is going to make that push, while GJ can make that run down here. So once USD-CAD is ready to reverse here, GJ would have already reached the bottom end here, right? And it would also be ready for a potential reversal, which is why I have this set up on the right here. So again, everything's falling in line here. I just need a strong bearish push. Until that doesn't, GJ doesn't give it to us, I'm not considering USD-CAD yet. Okay, I see that, yeah, anybody that did enter the setup is tapped in, of course. Again, I'm not convinced that USD-CAD will continue down here, right? It was a hard, tough battle to overcome this level here, and now since it did, I don't think it's quickly that ready to just reverse right now. So it's going to make a stronger push above, as GJ can make a stronger push down, and that's why I'm still holding on to GJ here. And it's 25 pips both ways. All right, new 5-minute candle. Alrighty. Again, GJ is the only setup that's active right now and did tap us in, and of course it is in drawdown right now. It's reaching the break-even level, and I'm looking for this huge push right back down here to complete this 1-to-1 risk to reward. And we got 9 minutes left before a 15-minute candle close. And again, I'm aiming and hoping for GJ to push all the way down here and close out this 15-minute candle bearish all the way down here. Right, that'll be an ideal push, which could get both setups ready for the reversal here. And by that time, in the 9 minutes, USD CAD can also reach above here, and then break right back in there before the hour and a new 1-hour candle opening. So everything's in line right now. Just need GJ to do his trick here and just dump and melt from here. Alrighty. All right, 8 minutes to go. All right, 7 minutes now. Again, looking for this 50-minute candle right here to close down here at this level here, right? Which would be, again, the perfect close here, because then the next push would hit our TP level here, and it would respect this level here as well, which is why I took the sell stop here initially, right? So again, still a lot of time here, 7 minutes to go. It can certainly reach all the way at the bottom here, and certainly USD CAD could continue up here as well. So another attempt from GJ here. Can he make that push this time around? Because even on the 30-minute candle, you can see it could be a significant push all the way down. So I would consider this a clean setup here. Again, minimal drawdown here, and well anticipated here. A steal of a setup here, guys. Understood the direction here, and look at it go. The setup that we wanted is the one that's deep in profit right now. So not that deep, but I think it's going to get there, right? A clean call, however, and you can see that it can push right back down here. A clean call here, guys. And yeah, let's see where this ends up. Still got 6 minutes to go for the 50-minute close, and again, just under a minute to get to a new 5-minute candle here. And again, I mentioned Wednesday was going to be when the markets, finally give us our advantage, right, for the range setups. Finally, we're swinging right back to the normal market movements. It's been a little rough, last couple sessions, but once we get the normal market conditions, guys, this range strategy you know, whether it's 10, 11, 12 days in a row, you can win. It's an amazing, amazing, amazing system here that has an incredibly high win rate. And again, I'm still looking for the full push. I drew out this level here. It can close somewhere at this level here, and then the next 50-minute candle can certainly push down. And then by that time, guys, USD CAD will be up here, possibly, and close right back down here. And then this could be a swing setup here with multiple TP hits, right? But again, that I'm going to continue with the Zoom stream. You know, if we capture this, guys, I will be exiting the YouTube stream. It's been over what? I think it's been quite some time now. It's about 3.5 hours almost. Everybody, here it is, guys. Clean call. You guys seen it? We had to wait quite some time here, but quickly adjusted here, knowing that yes, we could wait for this GJ buy stop here, but we understand why GJ could push right back down here, right? Understanding a few factors from here, considering the inverse correlation, considering you know, USD CAD potentially stalling here. Again, it's a break of a level, which is significant. So considering all those factors, and again, this is not something that I learned overnight here, right? I had to continually adjust my range system and my strategy here to get, you know, to this point. So, you know, don't assume that this is something that I just learned off chance. This is something that I've been working on and iterating over the last several years, and putting everything and every factor in consideration that would allow me to have a high probability to win the setup, right? And that's what I see it. And there's still 3 minutes to go, and I still feel, again, 3 minutes. GJ got a lot of time here, a lot of time to move down here in 3 minutes, because that strong close here is going to seal the deal for this setup here. So it's another 7, 8, 9 pips in 3 minutes. This is a lot of time, guys, for GJ. A lot of time for GJ to move. And you can see the engulfing ends on the 15-minute time frame on the left here. You can see it's closed right relatively around this level here, and GJ could do the exact same thing here. And you see guys slowly but surely getting right back up top here, which is again what I mentioned. As USD CAD gets ready, so as GJ gets ready to come all the way down here, USD CAD is slowly getting up and creeping up to the top end of the range, and we could get a new 50-minute candle before the close of the hour to push above this level here, and then reversals from both pairs. So yes, what I think of the 4 hour for GJ here, again, yes, it is bullish here, but again, we're catching the smaller setups in the smaller time frames here, right? As we do on a daily basis. And look at that push, guys. We still got 2 minutes. GJ still has a lot of push in it. This is closing at somewhere around this level here, guys. And at this stage, I think we should, what is this now, 11 pips? So almost halfway there. I still feel there's another push left. I would like it to push further down here at somewhere around this level right here, in between these wicks and this level right here. If GJ can close somewhere over here, this is perfect. And again, I risked 1.5% because again, I had higher confidence in the setup. And like I mentioned, when I do start the challenge, again, for all the membership members that are enrolled, they will be able to, they will be notified when I take a setup on the challenge account that I will be running exclusively just for the membership. So just to show you guys that with these setups, you can pass phase 1, phase 2, you know, straight off just the live streams. Nothing off stream, nothing on my own, none of that. Everything will be live traded, and I'll be notifying each membership member which setups I take exclusively for the challenge. It doesn't mean that you guys can't take every setup that comes on the live stream here. I'm just only going to be taking 1 or 2 setups, still following my rule for each individual account. Right, that's still important. I'm going to follow all the rules for a single account. All right, so GJ has definitely reached that level here. We got a minute left here, but a beautiful push right here. And you can see the fact that the 30-minute has not closed yet, and look at GJ closing right in the level that I had mentioned. So at this point, guys, there's no way that this setup will not give us a profit here. So stops in profit, and let me show you guys. A beautiful push. So stops in profit. And GJ still pushing here. You can see CAD must be pushing up here as well. And look at it go. It's about to reach that level. You can see the 30-minute can close pretty strong down here. It may reject slightly here, which is okay. We're about, what is that, 25 pips. We're about 10 pips away, 10, 11 pips, so it's more than halfway in. Yeah, around the middle of the month, exactly, yeah. I'm going to get some volume kicking in. Viewership, can get right back to normal. I understand that there's bank holidays still. Some individuals are still not here. Even, some of the Zoom members are not active yet. So I'm going to get everything in balance here. And then mid-Jan is when I'll start the challenge. And again, all the membership members will have full exclusivity with the metrics link, every setup that I take. And again, I'll only be taking the setups that I do on the live streams, whether it's YouTube or Zoom. So, sorry guys, I forgot to mention where I put my stop loss. So it's in profit again. I mentioned that there's no chance that I'm allowing this trade to go back into drawdown here, right? So this is going to be a profitable, risk-free setup no matter what, right? I'm looking at the 5-minute EMA tap here. So if GJ can certainly reach there, which I believe it can, if it drops below this level here, I'm going to close 50%, right? So I did go in with 1.5% here, but if it closes below the, not closes below, but at least taps the 5-minute EMA and, pushes at this range level here, somewhere in between here, I'll be closing 50% and letting the rest run to TP. And look at USD CAD, guys, look at that. This is a story right here, right? When markets are moving at normal pace, normal market movement, no breakouts, strategy is at its strongest, it's at its peak. And you guys can, of course, see why that is the case, right? Because, again, they follow and respect the range to such a degree. And, again, it does give us that break or that breach of the range as well. And we go right back into the winning streak. And again, you guys can see how I can tell a story here, right? This whole setup had a story here, and it's doing exactly as I mentioned here. And you can see the 30-minute is closing in 12 minutes here, right? Of course, the hour is closing as well. So we could see a strong close right here at the bottom here, and that would, of course, tap us, with our take profit right here, right? And USD CAD, I'm still leaning on it closing above here. And so we may get the reversal after the new 1 hour candle, right? So still some time here, but a strong bearish push from GJ here, which again confirms that it will potentially come all the way down, and TP target will be tapped. And I don't normally take 1.5% trades here, guys, but I felt really, really confident about the setup here. And I had mentioned it prior to taking the trade as well. And it worked out. Here comes USD CAD. There we go. There we go. So as USD CAD is getting ready, again, it's not the hour close yet. It's still 11 minutes to go. It could push above this level here, and GJ could come right back down. Look at that. It's doing exactly as we speak, guys. This is what you call a true system, right? And how you can tell a story from it, and it works exactly as we see it. That's the beauty behind trading here. If you can get to that level here and tell a story each time you take a setup here, you're on a different level, right? You're on a different level, and You know, it's very powerful, that skill. You know, I always mention all you have to do is increase your capital. That's all you have to do. Don't worry about anything else. Just increase your capital step by step. Doesn't matter if it takes you a year. In a year, you can grow your capital to, you know, high-end six figures, you know, with the advent of prop firms, and even seven figures in a year's time. You know, a few percentage, 2, 3, 4% of that, you guys will see what that can deliver, right? There's no need to rush the process. The advantage that you guys may have with the mentorship here or with the live streams here, that you guys can win and take small wins and compound those wins while you're learning as well. While you're learning the system, you can continue taking small wins here, because I've gone through that stage of learning and building the system out. And, you know, that's why we have a high win rate here. So there's a lot of hacks that you guys can use. Again, that's not only with myself as a streamer here, with any individual streamer that you see may have a high win rate, and you know, it does take a lot of setups for you. I'm not talking about maybe taking 1 or 2 setups for a 1-to-1 twice a week. You're not going to get anywhere with that, right? Because if both losses here, and you're not getting active setups with the system on a smaller time frame, then, and you know, I'm talking about scalping here, right? Because again, that's the most sometimes most convenient with prop firms, especially, right? But yeah, that, I mean, that's gonna be trouble, right? And I've seen that before as well, and some of you guys, even some existing members, have opened up about that. You know, in terms of, you know, the previous mentorships and so forth, less setups there, and if they're losers, then if those setups are losers, then, and you only have a few a week, then it gets really tough, right? So a system that's simple, that you can, you know, have multiple setups within a given session each day, and still have a high win rate, why not, right? That would be probably the best system. I mean, if I knew something like this existed back then, I probably wouldn't have built out the system here, but I didn't really see something, you know, pan out the way this range strategy pans out each time, or majority of the time. All right, so it's rejecting. It did not come and tap the 5 minute EMA. I was hoping for a stronger push below here, but the fact that it's pushing up here, and we got 8 minutes left. The stop loss is here. I may just close out fully here if it continues to push here. I didn't anticipate it not tapping the 5 minute EMA here, and I thought I was waiting for another smaller push here, but wow, the way it pushed up here. So let's see what it does here. And does it continue right back up top, or does it continue right down here? I still think it's going to continue down. Wow, USD-CAD came right back down again. It's still not ready. I still don't feel the reversal is ready yet for USD-CAD. And this time around, GJ could push down here. We have a new 5 minute candle coming up in less than 2 minutes, and this may be it. This may be it. You can see the 30 minute and the 1 hour can certainly close right back down here. So we got, what, less than 6 minutes to go now. So the last 5 minute candle couldn't make that full push. Again, leaning on taking some at the 5 minute EMA here, right? It barely tapped it. I mean, I don't think it tapped it. No, it did not tap the 5 minute EMA. It pushed right above. It did have a bottom wick here. And it's just a slight push here, right? It can certainly give us that push. Seconds away from a new 5 minute candle, and that's the candle that I believe is going to push right down. Even though GJ can close at this level here, it can still give us this push and come down here. I mean, how many pips is that now? It's about 11 pips, 12 pips away. So it's halfway into the profit zone here. All right, new 5 minute candle, here it is. Again, this is the one I'm looking at for it to cross this level here. And if it certainly does, You can see it can close up here. The engulfing end can close up here, but it doesn't mean that it can't push down first and then close up somewhere over here. 5 minutes is a lot of time for GJ to move 10, 11, 12 pips. But it needs to cross this level here for me to close some partials here. Of course, if it does not come back down here, then I'm closing fully, maybe this level here, or some partials and holding some as well. So let's see. I do believe it's going to come down here because, again, there's significant pressure to, for the tap to come down to this level here. And since it is a 30-minute close, we could see it, before the 30-minute closes here. Patiently waiting, and USD CAD is right back up here again. As I mentioned, you just got to make that push now. Got to make that push here. There we go. Come on, DJ. Let's keep it rolling here. Let's go. Let's go. Again, if it does not close below this level, or if the price is still at this level here, there's only a minute left here, then I may just close out fully here, guys, because it could make a push back up and then come back down. So I'm not willing to lose all this profit here that I see on the screen for just a new 1 hour candle to push it right back up top. Here's a push here, and again, I'm looking for a strong push here to break that level here so I can close 50% and, finally breathe here. So I can secure some profit here. Again, I'm leaning on taking the setup or the partials right here. Can it get there? It's still struggling to get down here. I got 4 minutes to go. Nope, it's not coming down here. Come on, DJ. You can see all these levels have been hit with the 30-minute and 1 hour close here. This one is struggling to come down here. Nope. Came right back up top. Still got 3 minutes to go here. So can still make a significant push down. And look at USD CAD go here. Nice. There we go. There we go. Come on, GJ. One more push down here. One more push. No. Again, I'm not ready for USD CAD here, guys. I'm probably going to wait out for the new 1 hour candle. For GJ, I may close out fully here, guys. I just don't like the fact that it's pushing up like this. Again, fingers on the trigger here to close out here if I don't feel the move here. Last chance here. 2 minutes to go. Does it swing right back down? Where's USD CAD here? Okay. Yeah, I don't like that push. Alrighty. Still holding here. Get less than 2 minutes to go. Still pushing. Okay. Where's USD CAD? Still up there. Oh, wow. Okay. Still holding. Thinking of it. It's seconds left now before the new 1 hour candle here. Can it push right back down? Let's see. Because USD CAD can continue up here, and GJ can certainly continue right back down. So guys, I am going to hold the setup into the new 1 hour. To the new hour here. So let's see. What does it do? Right here it is. Nice push. Okay. Look at it go. Okay. Not strong enough. Can it continue? And again, you see cat, I still feel it's going to keep pushing here. It's not ready yet. Here comes GJ. So pretty much had to wait for the new 1 hour candle here. Let's see. Does it continue the push? I mean, you can see the fact that, wow, look at that push. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Nice. It's a smart decision to close out here because I saw that wick being created here before the close. And there's a small zone right here as well. And look at GJ go, guys. Look at it go. Nice. Let's go. And you see cat's coming up here as well. Nice. Let's go. This may push all the way through. And strong candle here. Strong bearish candle opening here with the 1 hour candle here. And now I'm looking for that push now. Looking for that tap here. So I can close out some here. Hopefully. If it does swing right back down again. Keep going. Come on, GJ. Keep going. All the way down. Nice push. And a beautiful push from USD CAD as well here. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Still holding. Again, we'll love to hear, is anyone still holding as well? We'll love to hear whoever else is holding as well. And look at it go, guys. Beautiful. All right, nice. Okay, so I'm not the only one holding. Nice. Let's go. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. I mean, we were about how many pips away from being stopped out here if you did have the same stop loss as me. About 3.5 pips. But, you know, right call right there. And you can still see 100% of the trade is still held. And now the fact that it's making that push right there, I don't like that. I don't like that. Again, it still did not come down and tap the 5-minute EMA here. Another attempt here. One more attempt. Or does it pull back here all the way through? All those wicks right there. Not good. Not good at all here. Can GJ make one more push right down here? Still got 2 minutes left for a new 5-minute candle. Nope. It's pushing right back up top. Another attempt. Wow, nice push here. Wow, right against us here. Again, last chance here, guys. For GJ. Nope, it's pushing up. Thinking of closing out here fully. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Yep. This is a close for me. Yeah, this may swing right back up top here. And you can see this level being respected here. So it may swing right back up top. And continue the bullish run here. But I still believe, again, that GJ is not done coming down here. Again, the hour has just opened up. Right? So it could make a significant push and come right back down in the same hour. And so I may consider taking a re-entry for this. Depending on, again, how GJ moves from here. Yep, look at it go. So it gave us another push down here, but nothing more than that. And oh yeah. Again, it may continue all the way up here and then reverse from there. But again, USD CAD is just not ready yet. I don't believe it's ready yet. Let's see. Nope. And again, I still don't feel USD CAD is ready either yet. It's a strong push here. Let's see. All right. However, guys, I will be ending off the YouTube stream here. So again, for the membership members, I will continue on Zoom. But for YouTube, again, it's almost been a 4-hour stream. We almost pulled a 6-hour stream yesterday, but 4-hour today. We'll continue again the rest on Zoom right now for the membership members, and I do feel that there may be a re-entry here depending on again how GJ moves. And again with USD CAD, I'm still not confident yet because it's a new hour candle here, so we could get a pullback before a reversal here. So we'll see to those setups here in the Zoom stream. But as far as the YouTube stream is concerned, I will exit here, guys. Again, I appreciate all the new viewers joining in and the old viewers as well. And we will continue back tomorrow. So hopefully you secured some profit here for this single setup here. Again, it took hours to even get a single setup here. But yeah, small wins still compound, and go a long way here, right? The good thing is, again, the markets are back, back in shape here and back in the consolidation phase that we needed to for this strategy to be at its strongest, right? All right, guys, take care. Again, safe trading as always, and I will see you guys back tomorrow.